Today I want to share a story of resilience, hope, and the pursuit of justice. It's about someone who stands as a beacon of leadership in Zimbabwe, navigating through moments of profound sadness and calls to action. Yes, I'm talking about Nelson Chamisa. Just recently, Chamisa demonstrated remarkable statesmanship by attending the funerals of CCC Senator Murisi Zwitswai and another senior party member. These weren't just formalities. These were profound moments of solidarity and commitment to the values he stands for. At these funerals, amidst the grief, Chamisa's presence spoke volumes. It wasn't merely about paying respects, it was a reaffirmation of his unwavering support for peace, justice, and the rule of law. These values, he believes, are crucial for the prosperity and stability of Zimbabwe. Imagine the scene: a community united in grief, yet strengthened by the presence of a leader who, despite his own challenges, stands firmly with them. Chamisa's attendance at these funerals goes beyond traditional political gestures. It's about connecting with the people, sharing in their sorrow, and reinforcing a message of unity and resilience. But why does this matter? It matters because in times of loss and uncertainty, the role of a leader is not just to lead but to listen, to empathize, and to galvanize a community towards common goals. Chamisa's actions reflect a deep commitment to these principles. As Zimbabwe continues to navigate through its complex political and economic landscapes, the need for leaders like Chamisa, who are actively involved and genuinely care about the welfare of their people, becomes ever more apparent. So let's take a moment to reflect on the power of leadership that resonates with empathy and justice. Let's appreciate the tough roads traveled by those who aspire not just to lead but to serve. Nelson Chamisa's journey at these funerals is a testament to his dedication to the people of Zimbabwe. This is more than just politics. It's about human connections, about building a future where every Zimbabwean can stand tall, in a country they can be proud to call home. And in this journey, every step taken at these funerals is a step towards that future. Thank you for joining me today in reflecting on these powerful moments of leadership and hope. Together, let's stay informed and inspired to contribute towards a better tomorrow for Zimbabwe.